welcome to Pine Notes. My name is Lisa, and today is Friday, September 16th. And if you are new to Pine Notes, please note we have many pages to our channel here. This one happens to be related to nature because it is harvest time, everybody, and to celebrate our full harvest moon today. And if you're in the southern states, you're in for a treat because you will see the last harvest moon eclipse until 2024. So enjoy. I thought I'd do a little harvest video of my own. If you're new, you can go back to earlier this year when strawberries were in, and I made strawberry jam. And you're wondering, well, Lisa, that doesn't look anything like strawberries. That's because I also make habanero, hot pepper jam. Yes, I will include pictures at the very end of our little homegrown harvest here. And I do collect the seeds when I'm done, so perhaps I can sprout some more next year. And I do want to tell you, in those pictures, I'm not wearing gloves. I only use one hand to really work with the peppers, and I make sure I wash my hands well. Just be careful anytime you're working with a hot and spicy pepper. And what's next to this? Yes, tomatoes. So today, while I am joining my granny squares, I will be boiling down some tomatoes as well. And no, you won't see this in today's video because I already did one earlier this year. I will link both the strawberry and the tomatoes down below. I hope you enjoy your harvest. I hope you're enjoying your fall. Happy Friday, everybody. Let's eat healthy, harvest what you grow, and enjoy. And as always, I thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing to my channel. This is Lisa from Pine Notes. Take care.